Here's a little parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably the Winton area. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted to help show the colours. First piece has been ground through the face here a little bit. It's a little bit concave. Getting a picture there of the reds and greens in it, I think. Next piece, electric blues. Looking at the colour, the material, I'd say it's a bit of Koroit material. Oops. Little green stone on the top there. It's concave, this one. Needs some careful Dremel work. This is just basically interesting. A little bit of matrix over here on the corner, the rest of it's just an interesting pattern. Preformed. Bit of matrix, bluey greens. Again, little triangular stone here on the top. This one's got some nice reds and golds in it. Big piece of potch and colour. Big thick seam of Boulder Opal. Some nice colour up here in the corner, up the top. Some fire going through here too. Some reds, a little bit of red flash there I saw. It's picking it up, I think. Last but not least, this is quite a nice little bright stone. Perhaps it needs to be cut down a bit more to concentrate the colour, not so much potch. Anyway, I think you get an idea of what you're looking at there. A few hours of having fun. Cheers.